supposed to take ag anywhere.
They don't do nothing.
That's how the teaching is.
Nothing.
Look at this. We don't need any more art making. We need welders and process machinery workers.
People can fix something. I can't believe that you got his left eye. Look hard.
You can do that here, but can you do it in a dairy barn with 80 cows belling and 102 degrees outside, 99 degrees inside?
I ain't feeling like this. It's usually 99 degrees outside, 200 inside.
Do that to beef cattle.
Before I go and mess up Jason.
Where about? That's Simmental.
This is Simmental.
Simmental, yeah.
What are you doing? Make some breathing right now?
My wife and her buddies thinking we're gonna show all kinds of different fruit. I just putting that down, Doc. That's where they use